This is Tom from the 125 Live TechMates team in Rochester, Minnesota. When Zooming with your smartphone, you might want to show everyone your cute little kitty cat, your new home, the view of the lake, or something else with the front camera. Let's take a look at how that is done. To avoid problems, make sure that you have the current version of iOS and Zoom on your smartphone. Before joining a meeting, to avoid interruptions, you might want to turn on Do Not Disturb. While I'm using an iPhone SE to make this presentation, the process will be similar on other newer iPhones. The main difference is that the newer iPhones no longer have home buttons. So instead of pressing your home button, you will swipe to navigate to your home screen. If you have a link to the meeting, you can skip the meeting ID and passcode entry steps. By tapping on the link, the meeting ID and passcodes will be automatically handled for you, and you will be directed to the host will let you in soon screen. Otherwise, open Zoom by tapping on the blue camera icon. In this demo, I won't be signing in. The process will be similar if logged in, so tap on Join Meeting. Enter the meeting ID. You can enter a personal link name. I entered Tom's iPhone, then tap on Join. Enter the meeting passcode, then tap on Continue. Wait for the host to let you into the meeting. There are three audio choices: Wi-Fi or cellular data if you're at home, or if somewhere that has Wi-Fi is available, then this would be fine. Second option is dial in. Use that if Wi-Fi is not available or to save data. And finally, no audio. To prevent audio feedback, if you are already in the meeting with another device, select no audio, unless the other device's speaker and microphone are both off. I'll tap on no audio because I'm already in the meeting with my laptop with audio on. After you select your audio option, your iPhone screen will look similar to this. After a short time, the Zoom meeting controls will disappear. To get them back, tap on your screen and they will reappear. To show everyone your cute little kitty cat or anything else you can point your camera at, all you need to do is turn on video and then switch to the front camera. To do that, tap on your screen to reveal the Zoom meeting controls on the bottom of your screen. Tap on the video camera icon and the Zoom meeting controls to turn on video. Then tap on the little camera icon in the top left corner of the screen to switch to the front camera. Point your camera at your cute little kitty cat or whatever you'd want to show. I'm pointing at a clock on my dresser. Tap on the little camera icon in the top left corner of the screen to switch back to the front selfie camera when you're done. When you're ready to leave the meeting, tap on the red leave button. So that's it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you still have questions, self-help is available on our website, as you can see on the screen, www.125livetechmates.org. We also have a YouTube channel with lots of helpful videos on there, 125 Live TechMates. Personal assistance is free for 125 Live social members. We have open labs at 125 Live and via Zoom. You can email us at 125livetechmates@gmail.com. And also personal assistance can be arranged via phone and Zoom. Again, that is for 125 Live social members. You can call 507, the number's right here, 287-1404 to join 125 Live.